Marriage is not failing. Unprepared people are going into it. And that's why in recent time, a lot of relationships are not lasting. Hi, I'm Joy and welcome to my channel. On our last video, we spoke about the questions you would ask your be spouse before marriage. Today, I'm here to explain why these questions are not optional, especially with everything we're seeing around us lately. To be honest, in recent time, we've seen perfect marriages we see online crash. Not because there wasn't love in these relationships, it's because honest and important conversations were not heard before this marriage even began. A lot of people are getting married based on feelings, attraction, or pressure, without understanding values, expectations, or responsibilities. These questions are important because you have to understand that love alone does not sustain marriage. Love is important, but it doesn't pay the bills, it doesn't resolve conflict, and it doesn't raise children. Questions reveal how your partner plans, thinks, and acts under pressure. Also, marriage exposes what dating hides. You can pretend while dating, but marriage removes the marks. Asking hard questions early helps you know the real person, not the version with the marks. Also understand that when expectations are not discussed before marriage, they turn into resentments. So questions about finances, faith, boundaries, expectation, roles, family, and communication prevent future shock. Also understand that growth is normal, but if your core values don't align from the beginning, marriage becomes a constant battle, not a partnership. So understand that these conversations don't ruin any relationship. They protect you from entering something you're not prepared for. So today I'm going to be giving you 5 questions to ask, and this I title the core value questions. Number 1, what does marriage mean to you? You have to know what marriage means to your partner, who you are getting married to. You have to understand, because everyone doesn't understand marriage at the same level. So both of you have to be in agreement, have an understanding of what you are going into before you even take that step. Number 2, why do you want to get married? Very important. Oftentimes, a lot of people don't know why they want to get married. There should be a reason why you want to get married. And remember, there's nothing wrong in being single. Okay? So if you want to get married, there must be a good reason for you to get married. Number 3, what are the values that are non-negotiable for you? In this marriage we are about to enter, what are the values you have that are non-negotiable? You know that it doesn't matter what comes my way, I am not negotiating these values. You have to know if it's the same value you have. How do you view commitment during difficult sections? Because the fact is, there are a lot of difficult sections in marriage. Yes, it happens, unexpected. They happen. It can be ill health, it can be loss of job. So there are difficult sections in marriage. So you have to know what are your commitments in these sections in marriage. Are you gonna stay or are you gonna run? So you need to know all this. What role does faith or spirituality play in your life? You have to understand how spiritual the person is, or the role or the belief he has about spiritual things. I've seen a lot of women who get married, and because their husband don't want to do the church wedding that we call it, they get upset and get angry over time. And this was not discussed. This man might not they are not into that. They just know that they have gotten married to you, the right way of getting married, and you were extending and wanting the other part. So you have to know what is his spiritual connection, what is his idea about spirituality. So let me give you the last one. I already said 5, but let me give you the last one under communication and conflict. How do you handle conflict or disagreement? This is very important. You need to know this before you get into marriage. Note, marriage is not a fairy tale. It is responsibility, it is commitment, and it's a lifelong decision. Asking these questions doesn't mean you don't trust your partner. It means you are intentional about your future and you want to know who is going to go that future with you. So if you're engaged, dating, or considering marriage, don't skip this conversation. Save this video and share it to your friend who needs to hear this honest conversations. And share this video to someone you care about and start having honest discussions today. I'm going to give you the other videos of other questions you'll be asking, but it's going to be a step after another step. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video and any other topic you would want me to make. I will be glad to make a video about it. So thank you for watching. Please do also subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Bye.